Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you an easy way to fix high CPU usage in Fortnite by properly limiting your FPS. Let's jump right in. To start, press Windows plus R or type Run in the search bar. Then type App Data and press Enter. Navigate to Local, then look for Discovery. Open Saved, then go to Config/Windows Client/Game User Settings. Here, find the frame rate limit setting. By default, it may be set to None. Set your FPS limit to match your monitor's refresh rate. For example, if your monitor is 240 Hz, set it to 240. If your monitor is 144 Hz, set it to 144. Make sure to leave the zeros as they are, then press Save. After this, launch the game and your CPU usage should be reduced. And that's it. Limiting your FPS should help lower high CPU usage in Fortnite. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and take care.